Hello learners, welcome to this another session on CFD program, that is Certificate in Fashion Design. We have covered the course block 1 of this program, course 2, which is Basics of Pattern Making and Sewing. Today we will be discussing about the block 2, which is Basics of Sewing Techniques, and we will be discussing the unit 5 of this particular block, which is titled as Handling of Sewing Machine. So let us point out what all points we will be discussing in this particular session. So in today's session we will be discussing about the types of sewing machine and different parts of sewing machine and their functions. So as in the block 1 we have covered all 4 units which were based on basics of pattern making. So we have discussed how we develop pattern, how we develop what are different methods of pattern development, and how we will proceed for the garment construction. So the most important point or thing what comes next is to know about the sewing techniques and sewing methods, how we stitch the garment. So first important thing we should know is the sewing machine, which is the basic tool we need to construct a garment. So in this particular session we will discuss about the types of sewing machine, how many types of machines are there which we can use for the construction of garment, and what are different parts of that sewing machine which we should know for the proper function or proper use of the sewing machine. So this unit of this particular block 2 of your course is titled as Handling of Sewing Machine. So when we talk about the handling of sewing machine, why this it is very important to study, and what all information you will get from after studying this particular unit. So when you go through this unit and discuss what all things are important, you will list and describe the parts of single needle lock stitch machine. Like it is in the later part we will discuss that there are different types of sewing machine. So when you will go through this unit, you will be able to know, and you will list all and you can know very well the what single needle lock stitch machine is and about its different parts, and you can identify its various parts of sewing machine and understand their function. Like there are, if you have seen, or if you now you will see a sewing machine, you will see there are different parts of the sewing machine. So when you go through this unit after studying, you can correlate and you can easily understand what all different parts are there and what its important functions are. So after going through this unit, you can list and describe different parts of sewing machine which we use at our home. It is said as single needle lock stitch machine, and then you can identify and know the function of that particular part of the machine. So first let us discuss how many types of machines are there. So types of sewing machine, when we say rapid development in the sewing technology have introduced a wide variety of sewing machine, because in the garment industry or in the fashion industry, which we can say it is the very wide and very frequently developing industry. So with the very rapid development in the sewing technology, and there are different, because we have to produce numbers of garments, or we have to develop different fashions very frequently and very rapidly we have to develop. So with the development of the sewing technology, we have introduced a wide variety of sewing machines, because in the earlier time we only had the single needle lock stitch machine which we use at our home, or which we have at the tailor's place. But with the advancement of technology, we have different machine, very high speed machine, which involves less energy, human energy, and they produce lots of product in less time. So there are mainly three types of sieving machine we have, namely we use the hand operated machine, we use the treadle machine, and we have the electric or motorized